how to receive the payment of purchase return. Click on purchase, select list purchase return, click on the actions, and click on add payment, and mention the method of payment as well as the account of payment, and then simply click on save in order to receive the money. We can also receive the payment through alternate method in list purchases. Click on the due or the actions, simply click on add payment and click save.